so far from the bottom, couldn't even see the top. Just as soon as I feel the drought, I'm whipping up every block. I'm a good God-fearing man.
What's going on, y'all? This your boy King Cat, aka. What's going on, y'all? This your boy King Cat, aka Mr. I Wanna Be a Billionaire. So freaking bad. Day 24th of the 30-day challenge. $300 a day. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. We got a big hookup, man. Yeah. Gotta get some of these and load it up in there. And we're on the way back to Nashville. In Atlanta, Georgia to Nashville. Let's go. What up, y'all? This your boy King Cal, aka Mr. I Wanna Be a Billionaire. So freaking bad. I'm in a pickle, man. Got a flat. Coming from Atlanta, Georgia. Going to Nashville, Tennessee. I'm delivering some rice. But I got a pickle. I ran into a pothole. Got a flat. Now I'm here. Sitting here waiting for help. I got a van fully loaded of rice and all kinds of goods that customer needs, but fortunately they're not gonna live on time. Again, this is the nature of the business, man. You just gotta sit back, relax, and wait for help to come, digest, think about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the side of the freeway. I'm waiting. Again, what are you willing to do for extra 300?